15 plus best ways to display pins in 2022. The trend of wearing enamel pins has grown significantly in the past decade, and all people from celebrities to political leaders choose to flaunt them to make a statement, whether they are supporting a global cause or simply displaying a new fashion trend. Although they may seem like a new thing, the history of enamel pins dates back to 1271 AD, when they were only worn by soldiers during battle. Whether you are looking to wear enamel pins to support your favorite sports team or to support a global cause, they are a great way to let people around you know what you stand for. Let's have a look at how to display pins with these 15 exciting methods and ideas. You can grab a lanyard and fill it up with all sorts of enamel pins that you own. Then, you can simply put it around your neck and flaunt it wherever you go. This is a very popular method that most millennials and teenagers are following. To display your pins, you need something you can easily pin them onto, such as a corkboard. A corkboard has a soft surface that can easily hold pins without them slipping or falling out. You can place this pin-filled corkboard anywhere in your home. If you have an embroidery hoop lying around the house, you can grab a hold of it and choose a fabric of your choice to act as the backdrop. Then, you can simply pin up all of the enamel pins you own on top of it, and you have your very own pin board. If you have a beautiful scarf that goes well with all types of attires, then you can use it as a base for holding all of your pins, which would allow you to wear all of your favorite pins everywhere you go. You might have an earring display on your dresser, or you can just buy one from the internet. Nowadays, you can find tree-shaped jewelry displays, or ones that have a stand on them. Simply attach all of your enamel pins onto these displays, and you have a ready-made pin display. Another interesting way to show your enamel pins is by attaching them on lampshades, which is suitable if you have at least a dozen pins in your arsenal. Make sure that the lampshade doesn't tilt with the weight of the pins. If you have a nice collection of handbags and purses, as well as hundreds of enamel pins, you can fill up the exterior of your bags with them, and when you carry your bags around, people will know you to be an enamel pin enthusiast. It is time for you to reinvent pin cushions. After all, they have the word pin in their name. You may be able to attach a couple of your favorite pins on smaller cushions. Have a mannequin or dress form lying around, or think you can get one easily? Then you can layer it with all the enamel pins that you have. Most people have old banners lying around from a college or community, which can be hanged in the room and adorned with all the pins you have. Pin pennants are the newest trending idea on Pinterest and Instagram, and if you recall seeing one in your closet, simply take it and rack it up with pins. Or, you can simply thread one using an easy tutorial off the internet. People used to adorn their denim jackets with glitter, but you can simply deck up your old denim jacket with pins of different shapes and sizes. Felt letter boards can be seen everywhere on social media, but not many people have used them to show off their amazing collection of pins. Remember those old rolled parchment shown in most historic films? You can make one at home, fill it up with pins, and hang it on the wall for all to see. Usually, old frames have a backing made of a material that resembles corkboard, which means that you can easily fit your pins on it and hang it on the wall, or put it on a table. Get attractive enamel pins from My Enamel Pins. If you are fond of making your own custom designs for enamel pins and are looking for a reliable company to manufacture them, get in touch with My Enamel Pins. Not only does it provide you with the best services, but it also doesn't have any minimum order limit.